In this module, you are going to know your instructor. I work with Subway Energy Limited. I have benefited tremendously from this company. This company have impacted me with more than enough information which I'm going to share with you in the course of this training. This is my brand. This is the company I would love you to partner with. Most of my friends know me as Asukas, but I am known in the business world as Asana, a graduate from the prestigious University of Calabar, Department of Geology. I'm passionate about renewable energy, and I have been in the industry for many years after graduation. An entrepreneur, a computer analyst, a publisher, and an author. I am an ardent researcher. I will be your driver, your mentor, and a bridge builder in the course of this online training. I am passionate about being a blessing to somebody. What you will be learning. We are going to consider the solar panel in detail. We all know that the photovoltaic panel or the PV module is undeniably the major DC source for charging the solar battery. We know what the aim of using the solar battery is in the industry. So the solar panel is the integral part of any solar system. It is the backbone in the solar industry, and because of this, everything originates from the solar panel. And a proper understanding of the solar panel will help solve some of the solar system failures we are experiencing in the industry. Happy listening. Well, we are going to consider the solar panel. This is going to be a 2 days training, and we try as much as possible to use 2 hours in each of the session. And in the course of this training, we are going to consider the cell material of the solar panel. We are going to do just a brief introduction to the glazing material. We are going to consider the electrical parameters of the solar panels. We will talk about the IV curve of any solar panel. Then we talk about the solar panel nameplates. We will talk about monocrystalline solar panels, the polycrystalline solar panels, the amorphous solar panels, the PERC solar panels, and the CVP solar cells. We'll talk about solar panels connections and others. We'll talk about how to know the best solar panels to buy when you want to buy your solar panels. You get to understand how to differentiate between a fake solar panel and an original solar panel. Or a manipulated solar panel nameplates. Some end users and installers have been asking us on some questions about how to classify the solar panel based on the voltage. You are going to get a clearer understanding of the concepts before the end of this training. So sit tight and listen to the end of this training. There's going to be a summary section. Questions will be answered if there is any. And this approach, after the training, you get to understand the detail about any solar panel you want to use during any solar system installation. Then you are going to learn about the several factors that affect the performance and the durability of solar panel, and the different approach we use when we are sizing our solar panels. You get to learn about solar panel efficiency and how to go about proper installation of any solar system, and while some solar systems are failing. Happy